Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker baked ziti. The ingredients that we are going to need today are 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 2.5 cups of pasta sauce, 28 ounces of petite diced tomatoes, 4 cups of ziti pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 small onion diced, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In a heated saucepan, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let it come to temperature. Now you want to add in your onion, and we're going to let that saute for 3 minutes. For 3 minutes, you can add in your minced garlic. You want that to saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. Okay, we're going to go ahead and break down our ground beef. And you want to make sure it's mixed well with our onion and minced garlic. Okay guys, now you can season your ground beef the way that you like it. I'm going to add in some adobo all-purpose seasoning. Also some onion powder. Garlic powder, and some ground black pepper. Now you just want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to turn off the heat and drain it of all excess grease. Okay, now to a small bowl, I'm going to add in all my spices. My ground black pepper, my basil, parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder. And guys, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's optional, you don't have to use it. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, now you want to get your slow cooker, and I'm just going to add in my ground beef. Now I'm going to add in my chicken broth, my pasta sauce, diced tomatoes, and also my seasoning mix. We're going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. And guys, if you need to add salt to your food, that's fine. You can go ahead and do it. I'm trying to watch our salt intake. Okay guys, you can go ahead and taste the broth. If you need to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Mine is fine, I don't have to add anything else. So now we're just going to go ahead and set our slow cooker for 3 hours. Have my slow cooker on high for 3 hours. Guys, when it gets to the last 30 minutes, we're going to add in our ziti pasta. Okay guys, we're down to the last 30 minutes. So now we're just going to mix this up. It smells really good. I gave it a taste. It's really good. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our ziti pasta. I'm going to go ahead and mix it together well. Just going to go ahead and place our lid over top and let it continue to cook for the last 30 minutes. Okay guys, our ziti is now done, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up. And now I'm going to put mozzarella cheese over top. Then I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley flakes on top. We're going to place our lid on and we're going to let it sit 3 to 4 minutes until all the cheese has melted. As you can see guys, our cheese is nice and melted. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and plate it. Look how delicious that looks, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.